What's up, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube, friends and fellow artists? Welcome to the Art Fit Project. Yes, my name is Josh. This is my new channel. Started in 2025. I think it's January 13th as I'm recording this channel trailer intro video for you guys. First and foremost, I love art. I hope you love art. If you do, I'm going to try and teach you some art. I'm a self-taught artist. I have been doing art for over a decade, and I enjoy art. Love it, love it. It's my most favorite thing in the world to do, and it is so relaxing, and it's just so nice when you can create something very beautiful, and then you feel very accomplished. With that being said, I'm kind of gearing myself towards the person, the new, beginning artist that's too scared to pick up a paintbrush because they're scared they'll mess it up. Well, you will mess it up. It's gonna happen. But I've messed them up, and I've learned from it. And that's exactly what you're gonna do. You're gonna put in the practice, you're gonna take the time, you're gonna learn how to do it. I'm gonna teach you, and you're gonna have a lot of fun doing so. And you're gonna create masterpieces like this that you can share with your friends and family. The fitness piece of it is more for me. I want you guys to be able to hold me accountable. So I'm also starting a fitness journey. It is not a New Year's resolution. I did not start it on January 1st. Okay, I waited a couple of days so it wouldn't be considered a New Year's resolution because I don't do very good at following through with those. But with this, what I'm going to do is I am a 37-year-old dad, father of 4 kiddos. I love fitness. I have done fitness a lot in my life, and I am very out of shape, and I want to change that. I want to change it. So I'm going to upload diet videos, show you guys what I'm eating, what my plans are, in case you want to follow along with me. Maybe you'd like to start a diet as well. Maybe I can help you with that as well. So we're going to do that. We're going to do some videos on, well, we're going to do a lot of videos on workout routines. We're going to do P90X first. That's a home workout routine. I'm sure a lot of you have heard of P90X. It was a huge selling thing years ago, but I heard it's very difficult. So I'm going to do day 1 through day 90, uploading every single video and show my progress along the way, especially at the very beginning versus the very end. So kind of like before and after. So hope you guys will enjoy that, and maybe you will, maybe it'll motivate you to get a fitness routine of your own going on. Now, long story short, there's going to be other types of videos as well. I do like to draw. I probably will upload a drawing time-lapse video, or maybe an oil painting or an acrylic painting time-lapse here and there, but mostly focused around full-length oil painting tutorial talk-through videos so that I can teach you what I know and help you to progress if that's something that you'd like to do. And I hope it is, because painting is so much fun. So please, get your paints. I'm going to tell you exactly what you need. So just subscribe to the channel, and I'm gonna walk you through it step by step. You're gonna realize that you can do it as well. You're gonna have so much fun doing it that you're gonna send me pictures of your finished products so that I can post them on my channel and show everybody how great you are. Yep, that's what you're gonna do. You're gonna practice, practice, practice. And we're gonna have a lot of fun. So I hope you guys join me as we start uploading and start this wonderful new channel of mine, the Art Fit Project. See you guys in the next video.